Hi friends, hope you all are doing well. Today in this video I'm going to share unbiased iShop AGSJ INC reviews. In this video you will get to know about the legitimacy of this particular website. Guys, this video will help you to decide whether you should buy products from this website or not. So let's get started. This is the home page of the iShop AGSJ INC, and over this website you can see that they are offering multiple products such as toys, gifts, gaming items and other related accessories. Now let's proceed to know information related to payments. So guys, here we can see that iShop AGSJ INC accepts several payment options such as Visa, MasterCard, Discover Card and American Express. Friends, now let's check the shipping handling information. So here we can see that the estimated shipping charges along with shipping time is directly stated. Guys, iShop AGSJ INC offers free domestic US shipping on orders above $50. And talking about the shipping time, so most of the orders are sent out for shipment within 24 business hours. Now let's have a look on return refund policies. So here we can see that iShop AGSJ INC have a limited refund policy, as guys they only give a store credit in the form of a gift card. That too after the deduction of 20% of total amount as a restocking fee. And guys, only in extreme cases refund will be initiated in the original payment method. And apart from this guys, talking about the cancellation policy, so here we can see that no such information is disclosed by the officials on the website regarding the order cancellation. So now let's proceed to talk on those important points which will help us in checking the authenticity of this website. So guys, iShop AGSJ INC uses HTTPS connection, therefore the information you send or get through the website is safe, which is quite a positive sign. And talking about the registration date of the domain name, so it was created on 15th January 2021. Thus the website does not have much traffic as it's new and is not much popular among the people. Now let's proceed to check the way to contact them. So here on the official page we can see that company's address, its contact number and an email ID is provided, which is support@ishopag.com. Along with this, iShop AGSJ INC offers a live chat option. Apart from this guys, iShop AGSJ INC have presence on social media platform, but the number of followers are very few in number because iShop AGSJ INC was registered just a couple of months ago. And guys, talking about the iShop AGSJ INC reviews, so here on the official website you will see that there is no section for customers feedback. And addition to this guys, over the internet I could not find even a single customer review regarding the quality of the items offered on this website. So guys, iShop AGSJ INC was registered just a couple of months ago, so I would recommend all the viewers to wait for a while or go through all the details before making payment, because not even a single customer review is available. Also, there is a high risk of receiving counterfeit goods or nothing at all. And addition to this friends, if you have ever ordered anything from this website, do not forget to share your feedback in the comment section below so that others can know about the authenticity of this website. Also, do like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to stay informed and to protect yourself from the omnipresent scamsters. Bye bye, guys. Stay home, stay safe.